Action.
Excited. What are they doing?
I think the day is going really well. Every section we kind of had a multi setup. One side there were photographs and another side there were interviews, and both of them turned out fantastic. So the second half of the day is very crucial. This sets the ball rolling for tomorrow, and it's very exciting to have your own story.
This is like the first time she's visualizing something very different, so I found it very challenging in the beginning to understand what she was seeing, because it's not the same that she sees for a live performance.
I like camera rolling. Action.
Imperfection there, the little streak there.
Bodies are stories. I was roped into it after it was conceptualized. But being a manager for Mayuri for so long, obviously, you know, the aesthetics and everything, the camaraderie was there, and we could plan something which is as, I should say, magnanimous as this. This being our very first dance film shoot, there were a lot of challenges. I handled production, I handled the legal, and I handled the finance. I should say fairly what we had budgeted earlier. We have shot up a little bit, but it is only to enhance the project, only to enhance the overall visual of the product, final product, I should say.
In editing, this much movement is okay.
Quick question. So, how was the first day of the shoot?
It was great. I thoroughly loved it. It's been fun actually to work in a very small space with so many people. So yeah, I've really enjoyed it.
So we are trying to create this modern Yama look for Vicky, and it was a little bit of a challenge, especially if you can see his hairline. It literally looks like it's growing out of his scalp, so that was the challenging part. It was a long process, a 20-day process to cut it short. There's a blonde lace front piece at the bottom, and then these dreadlock braids, which will give him the attitude that he needs for his character.
Day one was kind of a warm-up, and today is the most crucial day because we have the maximum number of shots. It's literally the heart of the narrative, the key scenes that we are shooting.
Something I'll tell you.
take a lot of breath. Okay, we'll do.
But this thing got stuck between my. I was like, oh.
5, 6, 7, 8.
बाद मैंने डांस
थोड़ा इजी है बट थोड़ा इजी बिल्कुल
Oh,
नहीं
he came.
है थोड़ा इजी कर सकते हैं हम इसको कैसे जस्ट बी पॉजिटिव बेस्ट मूवमेंट आई थिंक एवरीथिंग ऑल द मोमेंट्स लाइक आई एंजॉयड एवरी सिंगल शॉट्स
Roll camera. Roll sound. Action.
What we are doing is we're going reverse. So we had done the text for the entire body and now the artwork is being removed. The scars are getting minused. So let's see how it goes.
I don't know. We have one more day. Hopefully, the stories of bodies will end on day 3. If not, you'll see my body. That's it.
So we are creating a warrior look for a beautiful dancer here, and creating it was quite interesting because she has a very innocent face and we have to create like a nice strong look. So we've done like black strong shadow lifted, like you can see the corners, we've lifted the shadow so that it gives that fierce look. And even hair, we've done like warrior braids with some jute rope and stuff. Again, the dancer had quite short layered hair, so creating it was quite a task but a lot of fun.
Lifting too many times, like in different shots and different angles, like it's quite difficult. And one of the difficult I feel in this neck and the armpit one, cause she have something over and the big, yeah, it's a little difficult for her and me also. Yeah, but I'm building my biceps.
Real blood. Oh my god, real blood. Social media.
Oh, the photographs, of course, the theme and the concept is bodies have stories and given by my sister Mayuri. But there are certain very interesting things which we explored, like we were focusing on body parts in particular and some organs of the body, like we explored how an intestine would probably look. And also certain other parts like lungs and heart or just fingers, and how would we sort of compose it aesthetically for a photograph, you know. So I think that was very interesting.
No, I think it's okay.
Take shot हमारे लिए. Oh my god.
Don't take that.
Dancers, by the way, I must tell you, you are not in focus. Yeah. Just want to have a little fun. Actually, now your costume, right? Yes. I have to do all these shots now.
Yeah, actually, I don't know what to say. It's completely new experience for me also. It's very nice, yeah, very mysterious look. I'm proud of her actually.
Challenges were finding the right point, but we did discuss about it with Lata, so she helped me make sure that I keep it on track.
and that's how it worked, I feel.
ನಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಂಪಲಿಗೂ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕೋ ಆ ದೀಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Both Madhu and Amma, I think Papa, they've just worked so hard on this project, and Amma would always send all the best message every day. She would check on us. I think these little things, and her grace is what matters. So that's all.
Turn ಮಾಡಿ.
This is the last shot, and it's turned out very well. Good night.
With that, we wrap Bodies Have Stories, guys. Thank you. Awesome 3 days. Thank you, guys. I'm very glad that I did this. So this was a dream. I love it. I think